IBM Security QRadar SIEM v7.5 deployment C1000-163 exam dumps questions are valuable for you to pass. Share some IBM C1000-163 exam dumps questions here. 1. What is the purpose of assigning QRadar Use Case Manager to a user role? A. Create new user roles in QRadar. B. Configure the app settings for users. C. Install the app on the QRadar server. D. Share the app with non-administrative users. 2. Which two types of default building blocks do you need to edit to reduce the number of offenses that are generated by high-volume traffic servers? A. Host definition. B. Server definition. C. Traffic definition. D. Event definition. E. Network definition. 3. A QRadar deployment professional wants to integrate a dynamic dataset like asset information so that QRadar can use the latest information in the new dataset to correlate the rules and alerts. How can the deployment professional achieve this? A. Use the UCM app. B. Import the dynamic data in the reference set and use these reference sets in rules and building blocks. C. Use the Threat Intelligence app. D. Use the QRadar search to search each item in the list of imported dataset. 4. What are unknown events? A. Both of the above. B. The event cannot be understood or parsed by QRadar. C. The event is collected and parsed, but cannot be mapped or categorized to a specific log source. D. None of the above. 5. A large multinational corporation is expanding its QRadar deployment to new countries. They decided to implement a geographically distributed deployment. What may be a benefit of having a processor on site, according to the scenario? A. Reducing the analyst investigation time, by reducing latency. B. Compliance with local data laws by storing data in the place of origin. C. Avoiding latency with searches, especially during multiple concurrent searches. D. Improving search speeds due to high-speed network connectivity between the QRadar console and remote processors. 6. An organization wants QRadar to have rules, dashboards, and reports to detect and report on cryptocurrency mining activity. What can be installed in QRadar to meet this requirement? A. Content extension from IBM Security App Exchange. B. Latest MITRE content from IBM Security Fix Central. C. Latest auto updates from IBM Security Fix Central. D. User behavior analytics from IBM Security App Exchange. 7. When prioritizing offenses to investigate, what metric is provided on the Offenses tab specifically to help influence which offenses to investigate first? A. Magnitude. B. Relevance. C. Severity. D. Credibility. 8. Which of these is a tenant administrator responsible for? A. Configure domain management. B. Collaborate with the MSSP administrator. C. Access or change the configuration for other tenants. D. Create roles and security profiles for tenant administrators and users. 9. What can an analyst use in QRadar to quickly find information about IP addresses and URLs while analyzing an offense or event? A. Export the event to CSV and upload it to reputation sites. B. Verify if the IP address of URL is in any of your reference sets. C. Use the X-Force Exchange Lookup plugin. D. Copy the IP address or URL and paste it in any external reputation site. 10. What does it mean when a custom rule is partially matched in QRadar? A. The rule is not fully enabled. B. The and not operator is set incorrectly in the first test. C. All the tests in the rule were fully matched. D. Not all the tests in the rule were fully matched.